Customer states they hear a rolling sound while they're driving. I'm going to show you the wheel bearing. This is the CV axle. Wheel bearing is there. Hear how quiet that is? Listen to this one now. There's a bearing right here with the axle. Listen to this one. The noise is coming from that bearing right there. Probably have to change the whole axle. We're about to find out. Yes, my people, and this is the old axle. Here's the bearing. See if you can hear it. Hear how rough that sound? Yep, brand new, just for you, with a new bearing. That's how they install it. Just a little bracket